Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the problem of the Amazon app not loading or crashing on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're using the latest iPhone or an older one, this method will help you resolve the issue. Simply follow all the steps I'm going to explain in this video. First, go to the settings of your iPhone and make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also, check that your VPN is not connected. If it is, disconnect it. Next, go to General, then tap on Software. Update and make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest iOS version. After that, open iPhone Storage, scroll down, and find the Amazon app. Tap on it, and then tap Offload app. Once it's offloaded, reinstall the app from the same section. Once that's done, go back to the settings, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. After completing all these steps, your problem should be fixed. That's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.